Good afternoon, ammo seekers. Today's another beautiful day in the Colony, Texas, and we are at Scheels. Yeah, I got it down, man. I got it down this time. We're gonna go in and check this place out. It's Black Friday today. Let's see what they have. Wow. Look at this place. It is super crowded. So I'm not one for crowds, and it is super crowded. So I usually just buy all my stuff online now, but let's just check it out. See if we can get out of here as fast as possible. Check that out. There's a giant Ferris wheel in the middle of the store. That's kind of cool. Well, let me tell you something I don't like about Scheels. They trick you into exercising with the stairs. There's stairs all over this place. There are a ton of guns at this store, though. Look at these. Nice. Look at this. Holy smokes. They also have nice prices to go with these rifles. Yikes. Christensen Arms. I really like these rifles a lot. Look at the design. We got a 6.5 Creedmoor, 300 Win Mag, another 6.5. Look at this all carbon fiber joint in 300 Win Mag. Wow. That's pretty cool. Nice break on the end too. Nice price. They have scopes for days. Scopes for days. Got some Savage Arms.
I know it only came in 2 weeks ago, about 2.5 weeks ago. A couple. It's all by brand, though, so it's kind of with the brand. Maybe a Savage left. I don't know if there's any more.
Here's what I love. I love these Ruger precision rifles.
Right here.
Some really nice Brownings. What's cool about Scheels is they sell a lot of pre-owned guns for really good prices, so you can get some great deals here. Tika. I love the T3 Light. That is one of my favorite guns to shoot. Super lightweight, but it does pack a little bit of a punch. Nice. All the calibers. You can't go wrong with the Remington rifle. This pre-owned, not bad. Here's a section that I really need to look into. I need a safe. I definitely need a bigger safe. Look at this, Liberty. Holy smokes. 30 gun safe, which we all know is not really a 30 gun safe. Look at this Browning. Oh my God, this thing is huge. 65 long guns. Woo! This is one of the fattest. It's one of the fattest safes I've ever seen. This is bigger than the Liberty Fat Boy. Scheels Outfitter. 50 long gun. Very cool. This one. 48 gun. Supposedly a 49 long gun. See, this is the one I like. I don't like the shorter safes. I like the taller safes. The taller safes, for me, just gives you a lot more room. I'd rather have a much taller safe than a fatter safe, for sure. There's another one. 48 long gun. Here's another one by Liberty. As far as AR-15s and whatnot, they have a plethora. You have SIGs, Daniel Defense, MMG, F1 Firearms, fantastic company, Springfield Armory. Got some pre-owned FNs in here. Oh, M249, are you serious? All right, you don't see that at Academy. You don't see 249s chilling at Academy. So that's pretty cool. Nice. You have the Springfield, who makes a fantastic AR-15. You have the St. Victor in here. Very nice. Rugers. Lots of HKs. Very nice. Oh, look at this. HK SP5 for $3,000. SIG MPX for $22.99. Ooh, that's kind of pricey. That is kind of pricey for a SIG MPX. CMMG Banshee for $1,700. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. They got a little bit of flavor for everybody. I don't know. These old Winchesters. An M1 Garand. Nice. Got a Benelli. These old Walters. Nice selection of used handguns. They have all the brands. They have the HKs. Every HK you could want. Look at this, Canics. Tons of Canics. Wow, nice.
I think they were even better. That's not saying this.
Oh, they got the Zev technology, shadow systems. Look at this Colt Gold Cup for $1,700. I have that gun. It's amazing. Oh, more Kimber Rapides. Everybody knows how much I like the Rapide. I'll pass. Staccatos with the $70 mags. Holy smokes. Did they have a lot of guns? They have a ton of guns. Let's go look at the ammo now. So they have quite a bit of ammo. Yochi. It's not too bad. That is a solid deal.
Yes. They buy like.
Real quick, how often do you see 25 auto in the store? I hardly ever see this stuff. 5.7 by 2.8. Look at that. $357 SIG. You never see this on the shelf. Nice. So 10 mil. So they have every kind of ammo you could think of here. Most of it has a decent price. You know, we didn't check hunting calibers. Let's go look at the hunting calibers to see what they have. Plenty of shotgun shells, slugs, 20 gauge, 410 gauge. And there's tons of 223. Nice. Look at all this. We got quite a bit of powder. Alright guys, if you watch the channel, you know I don't know diddly squat about powder and reloading. But it looks like they have a pretty healthy supply of bullets, brass, and powders. Quite a few in stock. That is a lot. Look at that.
So a lot of times they've got a warranty kit, which is just a single set press, and you'll end up getting, they'll give you the powder measures, some funnels, the base plates, basically all the base components.
I say this every year, but this is the #1 Christmas present to give out. These SOG key knives. They used to be $7.99. Now they're all the way up to $10.99 most places. Don't buy the ones on Amazon because those are fake Chinese knockoffs. Go to a store like Academy or Scheels and get this. These things are the best stocking stuffer you can get, hands down. And there you have it, folks. That is my walk around at Scheels. If you're looking for guns and ammo at a good price, not bad prices, this is a good spot. This is the Colony, Texas, or I just call it Dallas. For me, everything in this area is just Dallas. But from guns to ammo to Ferris wheels, they got a lot of cool stuff here. So if you're in the area, definitely check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time.